Hey there guys, welcome to Casehead's single box break number 79 of 11/12 Panini Dominion. So last time ended was Edmonton Oilers on October 20th at 7:29 p.m. Eastern Time. Go up to eBay current date time, hit refresh. Current date time is Saturday, October 20th at 8:31 p.m. Pacific and Saturday, October 20th at 11:31 p.m. Eastern. So a little shorter than half hour to midnight. So back to our auctions. So serial number we're doing tonight. This is box 6 of 6, so the last one from the case. NE189824911. NE189824911. Let's go over the tin for you guys. Seal both ways. Show you guys tin number one more time. Get started. 4911. Just to let you guys know, tomorrow there's another tin of Dominion ended for tomorrow. It's out of a new case too. If anybody wants to go watch, I opened a fresh case for a customer online when he picked a box that I just recorded and opened for him. So I'm just gonna probably empty that case out too for you guys. I just opened a new one for upstairs in the store. So sealed. So good luck, guys. Empty. And we got another book in here. We got a book. So I'm just going to move these two cards to the front. Okay, I guess we'll start off big then. Okay, so we got one of the laundry tags or authentic materials, Chris Pronger, 5 of 5 for the Philadelphia Flyers. So, this was the card on the back, all the way on the back. Okay, so we got decoy. Then we got base of Michael Grabner for the New York Islanders. I'm sorry, I'll just stand up so it doesn't keep autofocusing. 175 of 199. We got one of those all-star signings of Shea Weber, number 1 of 15 for the Nashville Predators. Shea Weber. We got auto rookie patch, looks like 3 colors of Patrick Wirekosh for the Ottawa Senators, 79 of 199. Next one we got horizontal rookie of Tim Erickson for the New York Rangers, number 37 of 53. 2 color. And we got redemption, Pen Pals triple. The card number 6 of Adam Graves, Brian Leach, and Mark Messier. And I'm almost 100% sure that's going to the Rangers. Card number 6. I'll double check that on the checklist too. And Crazy 8, 21 of 25. And it's going to be random. So it consists of Sean Couturier, Zach Cassian, Ryan Johansson, Louis LeBlanc, Brett Connolly, Mika Zibanejad, Brandon Saad, and Mark Scheifele. I don't think we hit any of their guys' jersey numbers. But so give me 1 second. We'll set up the randomizer for this. Okay, so the randomizer set up as Flyers, Canucks, Blue Jackets, Canadiens, Lightning, Senators, Blackhawks, and Jets. So each team is in 3 times. So the order is listed as the card shows, as it shows up on the card. So we're going to randomize the list 3 times, and the team on top is going to receive the Crazy 8 book. So good luck to everybody in it. So 1, 2, winner is the Ottawa Senators, and you have randomized this list 3 times. So congratulations, Ottawa. Then be sure to check out the break ending tomorrow, and on Triple Pen Pals it is. I'll double check when I send the email out, but I'm almost 100% sure it's going to the Rangers, as that's what the connection is for the Pen Pals. But if I'm wrong, then please message me before I ship these out on Monday. Other than that, take care, guys.